Welcome to the Product Stages Report section. This section allows us tracking product stages based on their remaining stock in the storehouse, so that we are always informed which products are critically few in the storehouse, which products are in sufficient amount, and which products are more than sufficient. On the left side of the page, we can see the help topic, which gives us a detailed description on how to work within the section. On the right side of the page, we can see a tiny form which is meant for defining criteria for the reports. Here we can select the specific products as well as statuses based on which we want the system to generate the report. Now, let us press on the Generate button without selecting any specific product. As we can see, all the status checkboxes are checked. This means that the report will present all the products by their amount and consequently by their corresponding statuses. OK. Once we pressed on the Generate button, a tabular report immediately expanded. Here we can see the products listed, their amount, and status color. It can quite intuitively be understood that the red light corresponds to the case when the remaining stock of a product is less than or equal to its critical quantity. The yellow light corresponds to the case when the remaining stock of a product is between its critical and sufficient quantities. And the green light corresponds to the case when the remaining stock of a product is greater than its sufficient quantity. For understanding the logic of defining stages for each product, we should refer to the Product Management section. When we add a product to our store, we have to necessarily indicate its critical and sufficient amounts. So, based on the mentioned amounts, the system defines statuses for the products. We may also sort the report columns for our convenience. For example, we may choose to sort the statuses or the amount of products, or even sort the product names by alphabetical order. OK. Now, let us try to generate some reports based on some predefined criteria. For example, we may choose the Dairy Foods Drinks catalog from the tree. For doing this, we add the corresponding item to the product field. Once we press on the Generate button, the report will display all the products that are included in the Dairy Foods Drinks catalog. We may also choose to see which products in the system have sufficient quantity. For doing this, we need to check the checkbox of the yellow light and generate the report. Or else, we may need to see which product's quantity is critical. For this case, we need to check the checkbox of the red light and again generate the report. We also have the possibility to simultaneously select several statuses if needed. With the help of this kind of report, it will become an easier task for us to make decisions regarding our further buying and selling deals. Once we have generated the needed report with all the necessary data, we may choose to export it either in Microsoft Excel or CSV formats. We need to just select the needed format and press Download, and the report will be converted to our desired format. Well, this is the mechanism of working in the Product Stages Report section.